Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Iron Man's exoskeleton arm, or the arm that he made in Iron Man 1 before he added the armor and it was like the full gauntlet. I'll try to insert a picture. I don't know if that's going to work, but I'll try. If you're an Iron Man fan, you know what I'm talking about, but yeah, let's just get straight into it. Got some reference pictures on my iPad there, and then I'm just looking at those and cutting out some like super thin. I think it's like 2mm EVA foam. I'll link it in the description, but I'm just cutting that out and then putting it on my arm, figuring out the size of it, adding some details and stuff. And it's pretty simple. It's just a bunch of strips, and then I just have like a whole bin of this foam, and then I'm just cutting out different shapes, adding them on there just for the detail, and then I hot glue one side together, and then I hot glue the other side together, and then I put it on and just see if it fits and everything, and I don't think it, yeah, and then it fits, and then I start making more details and I start working on the bicep here, which is quite simple. Again, you're just looking at the reference pictures, just cutting out some foam, uh, cutting it out with a sharp X-Acto knife, which I'll also have in the description. I'm just using a self-healing mat. That's what that mat is, so I don't cut up my flooring. And then, yeah, it's just details, and now I'm connecting the bicep with the forearm. And I just did that with a strip of foam here. You see I'm trying to make a hinge system, which failed miserably. And what I was doing for that was I was just putting a bunch of strips of foam and like some skewers so it could like spin, but the foam wasn't really thick enough to work. It just kept bending. Um, as you can see. So then I just ended up hot gluing strips, and since the foam bends, obviously it doesn't look right, but it worked. Here I try to start making the repulsor. I tried with a piece of foam, but it didn't really work so well. And I was just gonna paint that white, but then I go do some soda bottle plastic, and I tried to flatten that stuff out, and I'm tracing something to make it circular and everything. I'm cutting that out, but that didn't get flat enough, and I'm sanding it here just for the light, but even though I didn't even use light, or just to make it more white, I guess. But I tried that didn't work at all, really, and you can see I keep trying that. I got a piece of like white plastic that I'm using as the repulsor piece, where the plastic goes inside of. But then in the end, I started to use just a piece of like Tupperware or whatever to put for that white piece here. I just have a bunch of wires, and I'm just using that to add the little miscellaneous stuff that's on the gauntlet or whatever. It just has like tons of wires. I put one that goes up through the front of my shirt, one that goes up through the back, so it kind of looks like it's going into the arc reactor, which I might make. I'm not too sure. Just watch out for that. I might make it. I don't know. But I'm just adding absolutely random wires. And I've got like some mesh that it has there actually on the gauntlet there. There's actually some mesh. And so I'm adding that, and then I have like some plastic orange pieces. It's actually for the weed eater, but I'm using it here as a wire, ironically. But yeah, that worked out. And this wire thing, you could totally just be creative with it. Just you could totally add as much as you want. Okay, so quick little thing, I never mentioned this at all during the video. So the paint that I'm using is just this 2x Ultra Cover Paint Plus Primer Metallic Silver from Rust-Oleum, American Accents, just this paint. I think it was like $4 or $5. But yeah, that's the paint that I'm using just in case you guys needed it so you can make your own. So yeah. Okay guys, so I just finished the arm, and this is what it ends up looking like. And here's the side, and then here's the other side. The repulsor actually turned out like really nice, and then I've just got the wires going through my shirt. I might make the arc reactor and the strap that goes like right here and stuff. Not sure if I'm going to do that, so don't get too worried about it. But stay tuned. I might just make that, and I might just put some LEDs into it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna make that, but I might. So stay tuned. And yeah, that is the gauntlet. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video or found it informative in any way, don't forget to hit that like button down below, and subscribe if you like my content and would like to see more. Comment down below what you would like to see me make next. I will reply, you just gotta comment. My next video is going to be Falcon's wings from some Marvel movies. Falcon and the Winter Soldier recently is the newest installment that he has his wings in, but I'll try to also insert a picture if you're a Marvel fan, you'll definitely know what I'm talking about. And yeah, I post videos every single Friday. Last week was just an exception because I couldn't edit, and my video just would not post. So yeah, that was an exception, but other than that, I post videos every single Friday, and stay tuned for the Falcon Wings video. Bye.